Hi fam, so I'm back. Today I am going to reveal to you guys what I got in my May subscription for Facetory, what masks are in this package. And yes, I did open it because I just wanted to see. Maybe next month I'll open it in front of you guys, but I am going to show you guys the contents of what they sent me, and we are going to do, as usual, a try-on. If you all want to know like the specifics of the subscription, I will link it below, but also I will link my other video that I did for April, so you guys can know, because that was the first subscription that I did, which was in April. So I go down into detail about, you know, the shipping fees and subscription fees and all that stuff. So if you guys want to see that video, it will be linked. But yeah, let's get right into it. So this is the package here, and we are going to open it, open it, open it. I love receiving packages. It's like one of like my favorite things. Like when I see one of my packages in the mail from when I ordered something, guys, oh my gosh, like I get so excited. Okay, so contents. So as usual, they give you a card of the instructions. So, you know, step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay, sorry about that, guys. My camera just kind of shut on me there. But yeah, this card kind of just shows you, you know, step 1, step 2, step 3 right here. And then we have the card that shows the contents. So we have number 1, we got the Beauty Chuck, which is this one right here. And this one basically is keep your skin beautiful and dewy, just like a fresh bouquet of roses. So it's basically a hydrating rose mask. So that one's there. And then we have the Deer Packer rice mask. This is a pretty packaging, by the way. So we have this one. A rice mask is just what you need for a quick pick-me-up after a long day out. So that one's that. And then we have the Skin Planet Fresh Garden Mask Sheet, and it's pomegranate. And that is this one. And pomegranate is known to be a popular and effective ingredient to promote overall health of skin and body. Who doesn't love a multifunctional ingredient like this? Okay, Facetory, I see you. And then last but not least, we have the Epona, I hope I'm saying that right. Jeju. It's like Jeju, Jeju Green Tea Intensive Whitening Mask. So that is this. And have a relaxing, healthy tea party with the girls as you chat it up. Drink green tea and a sheet mask. This mask uses natural ingredients from the island of Jeju to make sure your skin is brighter and well nourished. Oh, and it even gives me a... Oh, I may do that. It gives me a code to upgrade to the 7 Lux plan. I may actually use that code. But that's that. And as usual, we're going to do a try on, and I don't know which one I want to try on, guys. Oh, decisions. Let's do the rice. I'm going to do the rice. So we're going to open it up. And it does say that, you know, you have to have a clean face before you put this on, because it's not like a wash off thing. Once you leave it on for the amount of minutes, you're supposed to rub it into your face. So if I could open this, it's like so wet too, but it's supposed to be. Okay. It smells so good, guys. Okay, so I got it on first time, which is good. So it is 9:28. So I'm going to give it like 20 minutes on my face, and then I'm going to come back and take it off. So see you in about 20 minutes. So guys, I am back, and it's 9:48. And so it is time to take this off. Now, rub. It smells so good, guys. My skin feels so soft, like a baby's, you know what. All right, so I got all of this mixed in. Guys, I want to thank you so much for supporting me and for watching. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys on the next video. I have my Sephora box coming in. And I have some stuff from Amazon that I may or may not do a haul on. So yeah. See you guys next video, and thank you. Good night.